Hey everybody, this is Rodney Ross with Limitless Real Estate. Today we are out in the Belmont neighborhood. We're at the biggest house we ever bought. It was a rental and now we're rehabbing it and we're gonna sell this bad boy. Out right one block off Girard Avenue in West Philly. This is probably one of my favorite houses that we bought. It's the biggest one. It's a really big 4-bedroom, 2-bath. I'm gonna break some of the numbers down for you and then I'm gonna go inside. So when we originally bought this house, we bought it for $85,000. I think we only needed to spend like $25,000 to $30,000 in it, and the appraisal came back at $175,000. So now we're redoing bathrooms and kitchen, trim, etc., and we're spending another $20,000 to $25,000, and we think that the value is going to be increased more than $100,000. We'll see when we put it on the market, but it's a very big jump, and there's been a lot of appreciation in the area. So let's check it out. First thing we got here, as most properties in West Philly do, we've got a nice, really big porch. We're going to be repainting this. We're going to clean up everything out here. It's the dead cold in winter, so it's the front isn't super appealing right now. But once we clean everything up, it's going to look real nice. When we go inside, thank you. So we got a nice foyer here in this place. We just retiled this actually this week, and we're changing some of the things around. So the main changes that we made here was flooring. We ended up having to change a lot of the stair treads and actually all of the stair treads and risers. We added a closet and then we changed the kitchens and the bathrooms. So this wasn't like a full 100% full rehab. It's probably, let's say it's like a 50% rehab. So not everything was gutted here. We were able to keep just about all the walls. So the original layout of this house, we think the original layout was completely open. Maybe not because these pillars were here, but we know that the original stairs here used to come through here and wrap around because we opened this up last week and we saw the original flooring. So basically we're closing this off and now the entrance to the basement is in the back. So if you come in here, the living room's nice and long. This house is pretty deep. A lot of houses in Philly, you've got 40 to 45 feet of depth. I'm pretty sure we're at like 55 or 55 and a half here. So you got a real deep living room, very good sized dining room, and then a very good sized kitchen with a half bath down here. So you can see we've got the old appliances. We didn't even change. Actually, I think this was one of our first places. Back then we were still doing white appliances. We don't do white appliances anymore. We do all stainless steel. These are the original appliances that were here when we rented it. And this kitchen, which was just delivered today, is going to be the new kitchen that's going in here. And this is obviously the dining room area. We took out, there was like this huge chandelier here that the tenant had put up. We cleared out the room and we're repainting the whole house right now. So it's got a nice big living and dining. This kitchen is going to look completely different in about 3 days from now. We're just patching up all the walls. We had to move some of the electric. The electrician just ran through here. We just finished the tile here. It's nice and clean, and they're gonna repaint all the walls, and then it's just gonna be a straight L. Refrigerator here, corner sink, dishwasher, stove, cabinets. So it'll be real nice. Back here, we've got a half bathroom here. So real simple half bath, which used to be a laundry closet actually, and we left the laundry hookup. So basically it's a toilet, and then it's a vanity on the one side, toilet on this side. You can actually see here, this is a 220 line. This used to be the dryer. The washer and dryer hookups are here. We're just leaving it because I think if another owner decides that they don't want a half bathroom and they want a washer dryer closet here and not the basement, they're gonna have the option to do that. So the last thing I'm gonna show you on this floor, we're actually gonna go outside of the yard here. It's worth looking at, although it's not super clean. There's a drive aisle behind this property that we're not really using, but I think in the future, it's gonna be a good look once it's finally cleaned up. Right now, it looks like just a super wide alley, and I don't even know if I knew this when we first bought this house, but this whole space back here, there's nice brick, or what used to be nice brick, all the way from one end of the block to another. It's several hundred feet long, and there's an entrance from the street. So if all the neighbors got together or the city got together, this would literally be a huge drive aisle, and then people could put parking in their yards here. So right now this is just a backyard, but if you wanted to shorten this porch, you could have a parking space, which is worth a heck of a lot of money in Philly. So One cool thing about this property, the area is not quite there yet where I think people are going to be doing that, but I think it's a little benefit for the future. So coming back inside, we're going to speed this camera up. Oh, actually, we don't need to speed the camera up. We're going to go right upstairs here. So the upstairs here, again, we redid these treads and risers. We did one little detail here that I've never done before, which was suggested to us by our contractor. These risers usually are just painted. We bought 1x8 wood pieces, and instead of just having, it's basically a lot cleaner to put 1x8 wood pieces and then just clean them up. And it's already white. You're not painting it white. The pieces are already white. So it's a nice clean look. I think it's going to look good when it's done. Coming upstairs, on the second floor here, we're going to be repainting these railings. They're all going to be sanded, scraped, and painted this weekend. And this floor has 3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom up here. So you can see we'll start in the back. Really big bedrooms here. Again, when you have like an extra 10 to 15 feet of depth, like this is a gigantic bedroom. This could be a master suite in another house. We've got a nice bathroom here. We got guys in here. We redid the shower, redid the tile. It's coming along. And then the 2 bedrooms up front, again, real big. You could fit a king bed in here if you really wanted to. So plenty of opportunities for like a home office. In the front room here, same thing. So the only downside about this front room is that there's no closet. We're gonna leave it this way and probably put an IKEA closet in the corner, unless someone wants us to build a closet. But if they wanna pay us extra for that, we're gonna do that. So coming up to the 3rd floor, a lot of homes in West Philly are shorter on the 3rd floor. So you can see it does not go the full width. You got the roof in the back here. A lot of people decide to take one of these windows and cut it out and then make a door to the roof. You could do that later on down the line, but we just decided to leave it as is. So we have this little, again, office flex area, and we've got a bedroom and a master bathroom. So a little bit tough to see, but they're doing this bathroom last. They're tiling right now. We're doing the shower, and it's gonna look real nice. Last but not least, really big master bedroom with a decent sized closet too. So feeling really good about the size of this house. If you can see out the window here, I like this intersection because it's like a 3-point intersection, and it's pretty quiet, I think. I don't know about at night, I'm not around here at night a lot, but there's no houses right across the street, and you get really good sunlight because this faces south. So basically, we got a 4-bed, 2.5 bathroom house. It's gonna be real nice. It's more than 2,000 square feet. And anywhere else in Philly that's in any sort of decent area, stuff like this goes for like 400, 500, 600, 700. And this is gonna be somewhere in the 300, maybe 325 range, which is still really, really affordable to be like 7 minutes from downtown. So if you know anyone looking for a house, thanks for watching this video. Send it to them, and keep looking forward to our next projects because we have some big ones coming up soon. Thanks for watching.